Many of you have been requesting me to do a video about the best performing money market funds here in Kenya, and I went ahead, did my research, and compiled a list of 10 best performing money market funds here in Kenya. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 10 best performing money market funds, and most of them had an interest of 15% and above for the year 2024. I'm going to share with you the minimum deposit, the interest they earn, management fee, custodian, and also trustee of these money market funds, not forgetting the assets under management of these money market funds. So this will be a comprehensive video. So consider taking your time and watching it till the end. And for beginners who don't know what money market is a type of mutual fund that pulls money from many investors and invest in short-term, low-risk debt instruments such as treasury bills, commercial papers, and fixed bank deposit. And this is how you invest in money market funds in Kenya. You buy units and the fund manager puts the money or invest your money in these short-term debt instruments. The goal of money market is to make sure that you earn interest income while keeping your capital safe and accessible. And these money market funds are run by funds managers, and they also have trustee, custodians, and also auditors. Some of the key features of money market funds include low risk, high liquidity, meaning you can withdraw within 1 to 3 days, low minimums in terms of deposit, and also returns are usually between 9 to 15 to 17%. And most Kenyans use this money market fund because they are ideal for emergency and also because of the monthly compounding interest, which makes their savings grow. Now let's go to our top 10 money market funds, and we'll be starting with money market funds that had the highest return for the year 2024. The first money market fund is Cytonn Money Market Fund. They had a net return of 17.4% per annum for the year 2024, and the assets under management for Cytonn Money Market has just surpassed 1 billion Kenya shilling. And the minimum deposit you need to get started with Cytonn Money Market Fund is 1,000 Kenya shillings. Management fee is 2%, and the trustee is Gold Advisory, and custodian is SBM Bank Kenya. So custodian is a bank that takes care of your capital, and trustee is an institution that oversees how these money market funds are being run according to the set out policies or framework. The second money market fund is Nabo Money Market Fund. The net return was 16.4% for the year 2024, and the assets under management for Nabo is 3.69 billion Kenya shilling. The minimum deposit is 100,000 Kenya shilling. Management fee goes up to 2.25% per annum. Trustee is Kenya Commercial Bank Limited, and the custodian is Stanbic Bank. You can see for this, the initial deposit is quite high. And the third is Lofty Corban Money Market Fund. I hope I'm correct with the pronunciation. So for this, the net return was 16.16% for the fourth quarter year 2024. Asset under management is 3.25 billion Kenya shilling. The minimum deposit is 5,000 Kenya shillings. Management fee is 2% per annum. Trustee is KCB Bank, and the custodian is Equity Bank. So for that, the minimum deposit is 5,000 Kenya shilling. You should also check out the top-up minimum, but for most, it's around 1,000. And for Etica, it's the lowest, which is 100 shillings. And that will be our fourth money market fund. That is Etica Money Market Fund. The net return for the year 2024 was 15.9%. And the asset under management is 6.6 billion. You can also do more research on this because I'm not sure if this is the asset under management for the whole Etica group or the money market fund alone. So the minimum deposit for this is 100 shilling. So if you are starting small, then Etica Money Market Fund is the best for you. And for management fee is 2%. Trustee is Cooperative Bank of Kenya, and the custodian is Equity Bank. The fifth money market fund is Kuza Money Market Fund. The net return for this was 15.46% per annum. And the asset size, that is the assets under management for Kuza Money Market Fund, is 1.82 billion Kenya shillings. The minimum deposit is 1,000 Kenya shilling, and the management fee is 2% per annum. As you can see, most of these money market funds have a management fee of 2%. Trustee is Cooperative Bank of Kenya, and the custodian is the KCB Bank, the Kenya Commercial Bank. Number 6 is AfroCap Money Market Fund. They had a net return of 15.32% per annum for the year 2024, and the asset size is 550.33 million Kenya shillings. Minimum deposit is 3,000 Kenya shillings. Management fee is 2% per annum. Trustee is NCPA Bank, and the custodian is NCPA Trustee. I'm going to share with you also where I found this information so that you can go and do more research. So coming to number 7, we have Enwealth Money Market Fund. They had a net return of 15.03% per annum for the year 2024. The asset size for this is 827 million Kenya shillings. Minimum deposit coming at 1,000 Kenya shilling, which is affordable too. Management fee 2%. Trustee is Cooperative Bank of Kenya. Custodian is SPM Bank Kenya. And in number 8, we have Orient Kasha Money Market Fund with a net return of 14.82% per annum. The asset size is 179 million, and the minimum deposit is 5,000 Kenya shillings. Management fee is 2% per annum. Trustee is Cooperative Bank of Kenya, and the custodian is Stanbic Bank. And our second last is GenAfrica Money Market Fund. The net return was 12.95% per annum for 2024. Asset size, or the assets under management, is 2.49 billion Kenya shillings. Minimum deposit is 500,000 Kenya shillings. So this is for the big boys. For minimum deposit, I haven't found the information, but you can always do more research on that. Management fee is 2% per annum. Trustee is KCB Bank, and the custodian is Standard Chartered Bank. And lastly, we have Preterm Money Market Fund. The net return was 11.43% per annum, and the asset under management is 10.43 billion Kenya shillings. Minimum deposit coming at 1,000 Kenya shillings, and management fee is 2%. Trustee is KCB Bank, and the custodian is the Standard Chartered Bank. So these are lists of the top 10 performing money market funds as by the end year of 2024. So you can go and do more research. But before that, let me share with you some of the tips that can help you maximize your returns from money market funds in Kenya. One is to make monthly contribution. Reinvesting monthly top-ups of even 1,000 Kenya shillings compounds returns and helps you develop saving discipline. So look for a money market fund that allows a top-up of at least 1,000 and above, and start depositing it monthly, because it will help you compound interest, and this will improve your saving discipline. Also, diversify across MMFs. Consider splitting investment among the top 3 or 2 top performing funds to minimize risk from fund specific charges. So you can choose 2 money market funds to diversify your investment. Also, watch management fees. Even a 2% fee can significantly reduce net returns. Opt for funds with more moderate fee and high yields. So Etica's 2% fee still generates one of the best net returns. So that is a recommendation. Also check withdrawal terms. Most offer liquidity within 1 to 2 days. Verify if there is any redemption notice period or penalties. So always check about the withdrawal terms. And lastly, track daily yields. Capital Markets Authority requires MMF to report daily returns in local media, compare yields to spot the most consistent performer. So always compare yields of this money market fund to spot the most consistent performance. So for you to get more information about any money market fund that you are interested in, or you will just go to Google and let's say, for example, you are looking for Etica money market fund. Just search for Etica money market fund fact sheet 2025, and it will bring you to this page where you can download the fact sheet. So the fact sheet contains all the information that I've just shared with you. So as you can see, these are the information about Etica money market fund, and they also have information about both the Kenya money market fund and the US dollar money market fund. In case you have learned something from this video, consider giving it a like and share it with your friends. So this video is just for educational purpose, and for any financial advice, always seek advice from licensed financial advisors. And the only financial advice I can give you is to live within your means and don't chase validation. So see you in the next video.